Sargassum on the shoreline, where the water used to breathe, and we clean it by the sunrise, but it comes back with the day. Heavy wheels on sacred sand carry pieces of the beach away. Estefania, can you hear the water calling? Players waiting, but the shore is falling. The answer is out there before it reaches land. Hold the line offshore, save the sea, save the sand. From Africa to Caribbean, a belt across the blue. Since 2011 it has risen, and now the world can see it too. It is not a passing season, it is not a one-day tide. The beach that feeds our people needs protection from outside. Straight lines breaking open water, loose barriers drift away. Boats sway while the sargassum gathers, then it lands here anyway. Estefania, can you hear the water calling? Players waiting, but the shore is falling. The answer is out there before it reaches land. Hold the line offshore, save the sea, save the sand. Anchor every 25 meters, curve the barriers like the moon. Let the ocean guide the answer, let the right boats move it through. One deep net beneath the surface, 48 hours, maybe more. Sarga boat and Sarga trailers working before it hits the shore. One sure feels and moves away, one connects and takes its place. No more waiting, no more breaking, no more losing players' grace. Estefania, the solution is already waiting beyond the waves. The future is changing. Playa is calling with turquoise in her hands. Hold the line offshore, save the sea, save the sand. Morning light over Playa, the drone rises with the sun. The sea is still asking, when will